History no longer moves in centuries. History moves in seconds. One spark can start a revolution. We know this. One click can move 1 billion people. But my story begins in 1950. In 1950, Cambridge, England. Alan Turing asks a question no one dared. Can machines think? Weeks later, in Rome, European nations ask another, how do we protect human dignity? Two beginnings, AI and the European Convention on Human Rights. Fast forward to 1989. In Berlin, the last hours of the Iron Curtain. At CERN in Geneva, a young scientist sketches the World Wide Web. A wall falls, a web is born. The same promise, to connect, to belong. November 2022. ChatGPT takes the world by surprise. Generative AI goes mainstream. But that winter, Russia launches its full-scale invasion on Ukraine. 3 years on, impunity prevails. Technology moves fast and never looks back. But rights and trusts take 1 step forward, 2 steps back. Outrage gets clicks, but outrage cannot be the business model of democracy. And so we face a choice. One future where technology protects and connects, another where it divides and breaks trust. If technology can spread lies, it can also detect them. If it can be used for crime, it can also fight it. Engines of division can also drive progress if built on rights and trusts. The good news is that we have the tools. We have the tools. For example, the Council of Europe Framework Convention on AI. That's the first treaty of its kind open to the world, and together we can make technology a force for good. And in all this discussion, the challenge is balance. Balance. Protection with freedom. Innovation with rights. As we know, first came the agricultural revolution. Then we had the industrial revolution. Now the AI revolution. And today we choose one more, a human rights revolution, to align technology with humanity and make the digital promise a reality. Do it now. Thank you.